now in Honolulu, and one of my buddies knows this cool cliff jumping spot, and that's where we're at right now. So yeah, just enjoy the video.
Like you were on the moon, man. It was crazy. You gonna get that on video?
Yeah, I already got a little bit on it. So the biggest thing about this cliff is when you look down, it looks insanely high, but as soon as you're down in the water, it is not that high. And the lighting, the water, the waves, the light, everything is perfect right now. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, I just changed my white balance settings to sunny because it was just cloudy. And we didn't even think we were coming today because it was just raining all the time. And as soon as we got here, it actually cleared up a little bit. I mean, still for the most part cloudy. But yeah, no, this is a really cool place. And I think later we're gonna go try out new spots. But yeah, this is probably the highest one. The other ones are like 40 feet lower. It's about a 20-foot jump. So yeah, but it's a really cool place. So yeah, I just climbed down the little hill, whatever you call it, cliff. Yeah, the cliff. And one of my buddies gonna jump right now, so I'm gonna record that, and it's gonna be cool. But it looks amazing, the spot. Yeah, and there's a big cave down here. Like pools of the water in and out. We have to get off only rocks. Come on, you already done it once. Right now. Yep. All right. Hell yeah. This thing is a beast. Woo-hoo-hoo! Damn. We're gonna go to a different spot that's like way lower. Huh? Just don't then. Just don't then. We can go to a different spot. We can go to a different spot. Woohoo! So yeah, we're at the next spot right now, and it's way calmer water and everything. It's pretty fun. I know one of my buddies is snorkeling right now. The other one is gonna go grab his snorkel and what's it called? The spearfish, and then I'm gonna take the GoPro in the water. So yeah, it's pretty fun. What do you think about the open ocean?
It's horrifying. It's really cool. It's weird to like. It's so clear. I'm so used to this wave. It's so weird to just like, you can actually see all the water I'm used to is like brown and dark and shit. There's nothing living in it. But now that I know that there's stuff in there, dude, my heart's pounding right now. It's like 170 beats a minute. Horrified, but it's a really cool experience, honestly.
Hell yeah.
A lot of fun.
Yeah, there you got it yourself. It's a pretty cool experience. And the first spot that we were at wasn't too famous because of the height. It's like 60 foot. But the second one is I think like 10 foot, and this is a way more like famous spot. There's a lot more people. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so I just got the 2 names for the 2K, the 2 spots. The first one we were at was Spitting Cave, and the second one we're at is called China Walls. So yeah, just look it up on Google if you guys already know why. And then yeah, I'm telling you, it's a must to come visit this. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, we got pretty lucky. Yeah, being out there. The bar is still there, but not started off because I was there for So that was just to pull it back.
Yeah, it's straight, so that it doesn't like you don't twist it around. Yeah, and you do it like that. See how it bows? Yes. Okay. Yeah. So twist it around, then pull it forward, and then just let it go? Yeah.
You let the rubber band in your hand, and then you you twist it and pull it up, and then you let go, and it shoots forward, right? Yeah. Well, I was holding on to it, with all the tension, and pulling it is pulling my finger on my nail.
So yeah, I just took the GoPro in, went and jumped and stuff, so that's pretty cool. Like a little bit spear fishing. So yeah, we'll probably head out, and yeah, it's pretty fun.
It was a great day.
Yeah,
agree.
It was a lot of fun. Super crazy. It's the best place to get stationed in the Marine Corps, without a doubt. It's $2,000 Just don't go home. Save 60 days a week.
What's up, guys? So yeah, we just went into the water, took the GoPro, did one jump with the GoPro, and then did a little bit of spear fishing and snorkeling, and the GoPro actually, I think, got something pretty cool. And then it's starting to get a little bit cloudier now, so we're probably gonna pack up, head out. But hopefully you enjoyed the little trip we made. It's about like a 10-minute drive from where we are, and then this new spot, the second spot, is probably 2 minutes away from the other spot that we did. But yeah, and there's actually some memorial stuff for people who actually died at this one, at the other spot. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and just a cool, fun experience.